had a little bit of a problem starting here today. I was going to go clean this thing up and service it and go for a ride so I could change oil and stuff, but wouldn't start. So I've been sitting for a while. Went to drain the float bowl on it and no gas coming out of the float bowl. So messed around with tested the petcock with the vacuum. Petcock's working, the vacuum, but I'm not getting any vacuum actually out of the manifold to the petcock to open it. So what happened is this vacuum line coming off the manifold is collapsed. If I held it open, if I held the vacuum line open, it's collapsed. So if I held it open, it would actually allow gas to get to the carburetor. So I need to replace this vacuum line going from the manifold to the junction where the VOS hooks up. And we should be good to go for a little ride this afternoon sometime.